Wagwan peeps, your boy PSYNOS there. And right now, yeah, may I attempt the
release the dopamine,
feel for your bird box right now. So journey with your boy, you see it? Ready or no? Look what no?
Come to your right a bit, but barely because a vehicle come on the corner. Yeah. Alright, you're good, man. Alright, come back to your right. To your right. Right, big right. Big right. Alright, come straight. Small left. Small left. Alright. Walk straight. Yeah, step down now. Alright. See in the vlog world, look at PSYNOS out nice street. If when you're saying get clicked down on a me, no?
What do you mean by no?
The government tell him say no for do it.
Which government?
Andrew Wellness, they tell him do Andrew.
Yeah, nothing from Andrew Wellness. I'm hungry and I don't know. Where we go left?
Yeah man, the other left. Alright, I got too much fun and left now.
We near the sidewalk you know?
Yeah. You how I feel to be blind for your day.
Jesus Christ.
Voila, left. Yeah, real thing. No man, am I right? Me that thing, but that's why I say right.
Jesus.
Go for the money, how much them pay you?
Oh.
How much them pay? See man, I go to the middle road. Blind people. You see them something here? And tell me say no one dead. Eh? No man, ain't good man.
Yeah, I trust him.
You have to trust. Yeah, man, I say, as soon as we step down, yeah, we are walk fast across the road. Wow, you're a good man that can pay a fare. Alright. I joke, man, at 50 that.
Hey, boy, we not going, man.
I give taxi, man, and then man say, you're a bad man. If I take off that time, I have nothing out here, you know.
How much this?
Alright, I bills that.
Do you know where the bird box is? Journey with your boy. Yeah, we're ready now. Yeah, we're ready. No way, bird box, like I'm hungry now. Jesus, please. Yeah, so wait there, cause I'm hungry now and I bird box me I look for now. Do you know what? Yeah, man, right now I'll know me not take off this. And I mean, I hungry bird box that when you see it. Is a lady just beside me? Or is that you?
There's a lady beside her. Can I use that to remind them assault the lady, you know?
Big woman.
Big woman at her.
Girl slash hot big woman. You know where the bird box is from? Well, right now I'm blindfolded in one taxi. I try to find the bird box.
Some freaky thing.
Yeah, right now, talk to one pretty lady. See here they laugh? Tell him, miss.
So I get kidnapped, my G.
Know what I mean? Yeah, video record everything. I try to find the bird box because I'm hungry.
Yeah, man, I'm in a Martin taxi.
You hear that? Be a people surround me right now, brother.
Yeah, I see the man that come and we nearly have a driver left him, but we think he's a madman.
You hear that?
And the next madman will beat him.
Yeah, walk it. No, man, go back to your right. More to your right. Big right, man. Big right. Yeah, walk so like you're a crab. You're a crab. Go straight.
Straight now?
Back to your right. Can you not turn like a man?
Still for go right?
Yes. Alright, turn right.
you saw me see the bird box? Miss, the bird now in one box. The bird now you saw me see the bird box. This I can't see there. Let me talk to somebody else who understands the analogies of these things, you know? Miss, alright, so we can get a bird box. Miss. Oh, so you know what? So see this ocean, what camera? Yo, where camera?
Yeah, face the camera.
Yo. Alright. Alright, so we can get the bird box, though.
So the way you want, no bad man, woman asks you where you want.
We can have 2 pieces of bird in our box. A lie. Yes. I want a ribbon and I like a wing. I could get that? Alright, big up on yourself. May I have a corn? Big up yourself. Yo, what you want?
Me? The thing I want. Barbecue. Yeah. That's it.
So the meat in the car and
Wait.
so how much that for you? 14 and 140.
How much is it?
You're supposed to be and
What is it? You can't feel
No man, a woman alone know them something there. That one they win a master.
How much is it?
yeah, blind somebody and
How much is it?
No man, woman.
You can give money and I tell you. You know, so I'm going to scam it.
A woman, me tell us a woman alone can feel money and tell you how. The only kind, me know the difference.
No, me can't do that. Right? I know, me never get blind in my life. I'm blind for almost 1 hour.
Well, the sense is supposed to stop.
Well, me have a sense now, be a debit card, me have my pocket. I'm paper. Miss, I never see much here. Yes, I'll see it here. Miss, you must have heard that wicked.
Here.
Where? Yo, thanks. Yo, let me ask you. Your ears and their money there. Which one have money? I decided to keep, right?
Yeah.
I wear money there. All I decide money, right?
Then have money and then ask the money same.
You don't know my paper there.
Paper is, you don't know money feel from paper.
We find the bird box. But we still can't take it off and take it.
Rob you? Yeah man. Are yours that? So you really I keep this until I sit down?
Yeah.
Yeah man, you're good man.
Yeah. So do I see too?
Yeah.
Alright, you have film still?
Yep. I thought you must bright here, dog.
Black world. Hold on guys, now take my time on my eyes adjust. Yeah. I've done it. We found the bird box. We tell us how we're gonna do it. How long we are cover up for now? About an hour.
1 hour to be exact.
1 hour, guys. Alright, guys. Even though you see me do this, do not attempt to do the bird box. It is very dangerous, guys. Trust me. There were some times I almost get licked down. As good as I am able to mark my territory, yeah, dangerous, guys. Do not attempt to do the bird box. It wasn't easy. 1 hour? No, trust me. It crazy. But anyway, we did it. Thank you very much. Now I'm gonna get my food. I'm hungry.